Hey y'all, today I have Bethany Shadburn here in the kitchen with me. Bethany is a CrossFit Games athlete, which is really freaking awesome. She's actually gonna be doing the cooking today, but don't worry, I'm gonna walk her and you through the recipes like always, so I'm right here with you. In this dish, you'll use a spice mix to actually fancy up a quick egg and veggie scramble. It's amazing what a good spice mix can do to really add a lot of flavor variety without needing like a crap ton of ingredients. We love that. So let's get cooking. Begin by heating a little oil over a medium-low flame. Add the onions and cook for 10 minutes. Next, you're gonna add the zucchini with a pinch of salt and cook for another 10 minutes. You want the zucchini to start getting soft and beginning to get maybe golden brown color. Then you're gonna turn the heat down to low and let the pan cool off for just a couple of minutes. Then you're gonna add the eggs with a dash or two of the Cajun spice mix and move everything around until the eggs are cooked. That'll take maybe 5 minutes, depending on how hot your pan was when you put the eggs in. Then you're gonna place some of those eggs and veggies on a plate, top with a dash of salt if needed, and eat up.